Irwin Business Glossary Manager using the Mind Map feature. Mind Map feature overview. The Irwin Business Glossary Manager provides a flexible metamodel to document various business and technical assets and link them to each other, forming meaningful relationships to provide the right context. This business lineage can be viewed using the Mind Map feature. The Mind Map is a knowledge graph used to understand how an asset is linked to other assets, which policies they are governed by, which technical attributes they represent, and more. The Mind Map provides configurable options to personalize the view and information of the Mind Map layout, including filtering by asset type to see only the data set in which the user is interested, filtering by relationships, viewing sensitivity indicators and classifications, and viewing logical names. Go to a business term or any other business asset and click on the Mind Map icon for the selected term. This action will open the Mind Map in a new window. This diagram shows the primary asset for which you initiated the Mind Map. The diagram also shows all associated assets grouped with their respective hierarchies. The legend for each of these assets is displayed on the top right corner of your screen. Click on Expand All to toggle to expand and view all associated assets. You will now see an expanded view of the diagram. This is the expanded diagram showing all associated assets, which are indicated by a pre-configured color. This diagram shows that the business term customer is associated with other business assets like business terms, business policies, and KPIs, as well as technical assets like column names and systems or applications. You can customize the look of the diagram by going into the View My Preferences section. Select the Sensitivity Indicator and Sensitivity Classification options to see which of your assets have been classified and with what level of sensitivity. By selecting the sensitivity options, you will see a red lock symbol on the bottom right-hand corner for every asset that has been classified. You also will see the classification value on top of the asset, PII, restricted, confidential, etc. Select the logical name and expanded logical name options to see the logical names for all associated technical assets. Using the logical name option, you will see the logical names being added to the technical column names. You can filter this diagram by selecting the assets of your choice for display on the screen. You can unselect the asset types that you don't want visible on the UI using the checkboxes provided for every asset type. The diagram auto-renders to show you only those asset types that you have selected as part of your preference. Clicking on any asset-colored object in the diagram displays the properties of the asset in the right-hand panel. Click on the asset name in the right-hand panel to drill down into the asset details. This action opens a pop-up window containing all the details of the selected asset. Click on New Conceptual View to look at Mind Map in a new look and feel. For more information, please visit irwin.com.